Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today interview question is find the first non-repeated character in a string using Java 8 streams. So for this one, let's move to the coding part. Then, so if we see the given input is a string type. So to achieve this to get the first non-repeated character, first we need to convert this string into the characters. So for that one, we will write like word dot chars. Okay, so this one it will convert that word, the string data type into the int stream. So now from int stream to we need to convert the actual character, right? For this one, we will use mapToObj method, and here we will tran transfer each element as a character object, right? So for this one, we will just write char of a. So now we have successfully converted string into a character. Now to find out the non-repeated character, we need to apply filter. So filter, and to get the non-repeated character, so we will write like so e lambda expression word dot index of e. We are checking that e that equals to word dot last index of element. So it will filter out. This condition will check the character occurrence only one time or multiple times. Like so, it will only give us unique occurrence. So first it will check here. It will check the first index, and it will here it will check the last index of that particular element. So for example, here we have Java. So the first character is a first element is a J. So here it will check the first J, and this is the the first index of J, and here it will check the last index. So the last index of J is not occurred at in this string. So at this time it will collect that unique element. So now we find out that this condition will find out that unique characters. Now we need to find the first element, right? So for that one, we have one method that is part of Java 8 streams. Okay, so that is find first, and we have find first. To print this one, we will just use if present. If it's present, we can directly print it over here by using element lambda expression sys out, and first non-repeated char equals to E. Okay, so let's run this application and see the output. So you can see the first non-repeated character is a J. So you can see the J is not repeated, and it is came at the first position. So that's why it's printing over here. So let's see, for example, if the interviewer asked us like, I want to print the second non-occurrent non-repeated character. So for that one, we'll just write. So just copy this and let me paste this one. I'll just explain what we need to change. Okay, here we'll just write. We will use one method that is also part of Java 8 streams. We will use skip method. So if we pass one, so let's print this one. And first non-repeated character is J, and this is the second non-repeated. Second non-repeated character is E. So here let's print V. So here you can see, so A is not came over here because it's repeated twice. Okay, so this is A is repeated twice. That's why it's not printing. So J and V is print repeating only once. So we can see the first repeated and second first non-repeated and second non-repeated. So that's it for today. So if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. And if you feel this is useful, so please do like and share and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching.